Hello students and welcome to my English for Traveling course. My name is Benjamin. I'll be your instructor for this course on traveling in the English-speaking world. I am grateful to be here and to be helping you with your English language learning in terms of how to have a good travel experience. And I have a number of different topics in each video to cover for your enrollment here in this course. And I'm excited to begin. And I want to give you an overview of the topics that we'll be covering for the duration of this course. So let's get started by introducing the topics that we'll be covering together. So let's dive into our English for Traveling course topics. Here is what we will be covering during this course, and there also could be additional videos to come. So I hope you stay tuned after you enroll in this course, because I might be updating with additional course videos on English for traveling. But let's dive into the main topics that I'll be covering. We're going to start with planning your visit, knowing your destination, getting there, how to get to the airport, what's it like there, getting there at the train station, how do we navigate that mode of transportation, getting there at the bus station, what's it like to ride the bus to your destination, getting there, and then how do you manage renting a car and some driving help as well with signs and with the regulations in English-speaking countries. Then we'll talk about the checking in process at the hotel, hostel, Airbnb, as well as the hows and whys of sightseeing and tourism. Why do we do it and what are the benefits? And then I'm going to tackle getting directions, knowing where to go when you're on the road, as well as the basics that you should know for shopping and dining out during your travel experience. Lastly, we'll be checking out, getting out of the hotel, hostel, or Airbnb without any issues. And these are the 12 major topics that I think make up any good traveling course, especially for English language skills. So here's what you'll be learning. And as I said, you'll be learning some useful advice and tools on how to research English-speaking destinations. You'll get some example dialogues to help you navigate your way to your destination, whether that's by bus, by plane, by train, or even by car if you plan to rent one. I'll give you some interesting insights as a native English speaker and as an American about English-speaking cultures, as well as how to communicate with the locals, from getting those directions and how to sightsee as well. And I want you to learn the basics of dining, shopping out, and checking in or checking out of your accommodations, whether that's a hostel, a hotel, an Airbnb, without any major frustrations. And I want you to be prepared as well for any potential emergency or accident and how to get yourself out of a difficult situation when it comes to your travels. So we're going to be learning a lot. I'm excited to get started. There's a lot of great video content. I have an assignment for each of these videos and maybe more than one for each of my lectures. And I'm excited to have you with me. Thank you again for enrolling, and I'm excited to begin. So let's get started. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.